welcome to another of my IT lessons. In today's lesson, we'll add user to sudo file, test user to sudo file, so we can run sudo commands. So to do this, please open the files program on your Linux machine and go to other locations here, and then select the Linux machine, and then go to etc here, and then we need to find sudo file. To find sudo file, scroll down. You just need to scroll down, keep scrolling, more scrolling, keep scrolling, scroll down, and there it is, sudo file. Open sudo file with doing double click, select application, and then view all applications. Because we know this is a text file, we will open it with the text program for Linux, which is the LibreOffice Writer, and we will say select. Now we will wait. Oh, well, we cannot open because access is denied. We need to be root, and the only way that we remember to be root is to go in the terminal. So we will do the same, but we'll open from terminal. Here we are. We make bigger so that we can all see. There we are. This is important. And we become root. Remember, su root is how you become root. The password is test1234, like every single other password that I have. And then here we have to go to the same location, which was etc. That is how it's pronounced, etc. And then we say ls, and we look. And here we have to first see it. Every time you scroll up, to first see the file to make sure that it's there. And this is how you know. Sudoers is indeed in this directory. And so we now open with nano. Sorry, you have to always use sudo even when you are root, and then say, especially when you are root, and then say sudo nano, and then you open the sudoers file like this. So as you can see, there is a big red letters here. Sudoers meant to be read only. Every time in Linux, if you see big red letters, you can ignore. So we go down and make sure to read this entire document. It is very important. It is how you become IT. You need to know. And then you reach all the way to the end where it says user privilege specification. And it is here that we're going to add our user. Our user was called test. And we are going to just say the exact same thing that they say above. Okay? There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. And we say oh. And so now that it is the same, we have to say Control and X, and then we say Y for yes, and we save it. And now if we switch the user and we say switch user to test, and then now we say, so let's clear, and now we say, for example, sudo apt update, which is you have to do on Ubuntu. It's a Linux thing to do. You press enter, and then here you have say the password, which is test1234, and it works. It's already in the sudo file. We still have the problem with the internet from the previous video, but we will fix it in another lesson. Have a good evening. Hit like, subscribe, the bell button, and leave me a comment. Have a great evening. Goodbye.